Hello viewers, I'm your English teacher MK. I have had MPhil degree from Quaid-e-Azam University with 20-year experience. I will be giving you a series of English learning lessons if you stay with me and watch my all videos and complete tests. You will be able to improve your English and pass most of English tests and exams. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive my latest videos. So let's get started. Our today's topic is present indefinite tense or present simple tense. Tenses demonstrate the time of an action in a sentence. Use of present indefinite tense. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. It denotes a stative or habitual or eternally true action. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. Affirmative sentences. First form of the verb is used. S or es is added with he, she and singular nouns. Affirmative sentences examples. I drink tea every morning. मैं हर सुबह चाय पीती हूँ. My sister teaches English. मेरी बहन इंग्लिश पढ़ाती है. I read various kinds of books. मैं मुख्तलिफ तरह की किताबें पढ़ती हूँ. Earth revolves round the sun. ज़मीन सूरज के गिर्द घूमती है. He sings sweet songs. वो अच्छे गीत गाता है. The sun rises in the east. सूरज मशरिक से निकलता है. Negative sentences. To make the simple present verb negative, we use do not or does not. We can also use the contraction don't or doesn't instead of do not or does not. S or es is not added after do does. First form of the verb is used. अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आपने किसके साथ do का इस्तेमाल करना है और किसके साथ does. I, we, they, you और प्लूरल नाउन के साथ आपने do इस्तेमाल करना है. He, she और सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ does का इस्तेमाल करना है. अब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Some people do not believe in God. कुछ लोग खुदा पर यकीन नहीं रखते हैं. He doesn't have a bath every day. वो हर रोज नहीं नहाता है. She does not like to wear a wedding ring. उसे शादी की अंगूठी पहनना पसंद नहीं है. He doesn't have to commute to work. इसे काम के लिए बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता है. Vegetarians do not eat meat. सब्जी खोर गोश्त नहीं खाते हैं. The plane doesn't land at 9 o'clock. जहाज 9 बजे लैंड नहीं करता है. I do not tell a lie. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ. Interrogative sentences. To make the simple present verb interrogative, do or does is placed at the beginning of the sentence. First form of the verb is used. S or yes is not added. And at the end there comes the question mark. Examples of interrogative sentences. Do you smoke? क्या आप सिगरेट पीते हैं? Do you like sweets? क्या आपको मिठाई पसंद है? Does she cook the food? क्या वो खाना बनाती है? Where do you live now? अब आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Do you help the poor? क्या आप गरीबों की मदद करते हैं? When does the office open? दफ्तर कब खुलता है? What does he do? वो क्या करता है? Does it rain here in summer? क्या यहाँ गर्मियों में बारिश होती है? Where do you go shopping? आप खरीदारी के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? Now I am giving you a quiz in the form of fill in the blanks. Please attempt the quiz and send your quiz back to me at my email address. I will do marking and send your mark papers back to you at your email address. I will do it all free of cost for you. You only have to like, subscribe my channel before sending your completed quiz to me. If you have any question, ask me in comment box. See you in my next video. Take care.